Do you love to take the kits from Stampin' Up and change them into something totally different? Here's one for you, Rustic Christmas Countdown, number 163114, and look what you can do with this. Cards and gift card holders upon gift card holders. So much you can do with this kit. More cards. You just have to have your own cardstock to create those, but everything else comes right in the kit. So amazing. Look at all of this. Do you give a lot of gift cards at Christmas time for the holidays? Well, here you go. Contact me today to purchase yours right here at my website. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.